Good morning, guys. My house has like a red tint, so we're gonna look outside at the sunrise together and see what it looks like. It's not too pretty. It's pretty, but are you guys hungry? I will get you guys food in a minute, okay?
You have to record.
Because we're vlogging.
No, we're not.
No, show them.
No, I'm too busy.
Her coach gives her a silent assassin award each game. A person. That's cute. You gonna win?
Hopefully.
Win, fight.
Hopefully.
Basketball, volleyball.
Volleyball's been over for like
I know. I was just letting you tell Dad.
7 weeks.
Who's coming to get you?
JC.
I could have took you.
I know, but I told JC that you were awake, and she said, "I'll just take you because I'm on the way." Blah, 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 blah.
Well, tell her I said hi and you guys have fun at your game.
Why do you get a new case?
Because I can.
Where did my socks go?
I don't know. What color?
White.
Did you have them this morning?
Yeah.
I have no idea. You guys, I always grab my dogs in the morning and I always hug them and tell them how did them sleep and Mommy loves them. And we're going to have a good day, huh? We're going to have a good day. I love you. Did I get some chapstick on your lips? Did I get some chapstick on your lips? Okay, kiss me on the cheek and it won't get chapstick on your lips. Kiss me on the cheek. I love you. Oh, I got it on your lips again. Come here, T. Theo. T's my hugger. Hug. Dude, why are your hands wet? It better not be poop. How did you sleep, handsome boy? Uh-oh, they're watching you. I don't know if your hands are wet or just cold, dude. Okay. That's all of them. Ugly. Hi guys, how are you? I tried to take a nap, but my dogs won't let me because Brandon, he's cleaning his room for the first time in 5 years.
Moving out.
Thank God. God.
Yeah, right. Lose your mind without me.
Stay. Now I have my flower room. Those are all the boxes that was in my plant room where I have all the presents. Stay. Mommy spank you butt. Really hard. I spank you hard. I spank you really hard. I spank you too. I spank my babies. I spank you. I spank. Ah! Get in here now! What the hell, Coco? Nice job getting in here. Thank you. Good boys. Good girl. Good girls. You guys like those cats. You guys are a bunch of nerds. Leave it. Trixie, Ruru. Rory Canary! Ruru! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Chibakali. Good boy. Nice job. Good boy. Nice job. And my yellow nose. And my corgi nogi. And my corgi. And my princess. Here's my... you guys. Here's my princess. Here's my first baby. We got her, and her was just like her mother. It was just like her mother. Not you, Mel. You're not just like your mother. You're ugly. You're just like your dad. You're done. You guys! Okay. Okay, get away from the door, Trixie Roo. Quit messing with my cats. Huh. Quit messing with my cats, huh, baby. And keep messing with my cats, huh. It's like whiteout out here. Goes. There it goes. There it is. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, mama. Hi, mamas. That's a mommy. This is a mommy. Oh, the mommy's Coco. I didn't say for you to come out here. Hurry. Now. 1, 2, 3. You want me to spank you? Go. When I get to 3, I spank. And she knows that. Punk, you need to listen. You're gonna get it, girl. Miss you not listening to mom. Did I get a pankin? Roo. See, just say hi. Okay, get away from him. They'll probably get fleas on you. Back, now. Is it good?
Yes.
I know, because I made it. I shampooed my floor today, and it don't look like it. It never looks like it. Shampooed my rug. You guys better not freaking piss on it no more. Is it good?
No.
I didn't think so. But this is all my presents. I got all that stuff out from right there. Yep. It looks pretty in here. I need to water my plants tomorrow. Oh, my lonely girl over there all by herself. It's, we need to start throwing stuff away instead of just loading it up and sticking it in storage, because we have 3 of those semi-trailers. Semi-trailers? Yeah, what are they called? U-Hauls? Not U-Hauls? What the fuck are they called? I don't know. Connexes. We have 3 of those. Almost completely full. And we're getting 2 more. But I'm gonna have a yard sale next year. Just look at this pretty. Love you, fool. Look at this pretty sunset. This is my front porch. That is so beautiful. If that tree wasn't there, it would be even prettier. Right there is a good picture. My fucking phone just started wigging out and it was playing a song, Drugs Are Bad, and I couldn't get it. Brandon couldn't get it, and then just all of a sudden it just shut up. I think I need to use my face stuff. I haven't used it in 2 days, and you could tell. I look like an old lady. Really pretty now, guys. Look at that. Look at those colors. So I just took a shower. I got all my skincare shit done. I'm kind of ready for bed. I still have to cook supper, and Bill wants to watch a show, so I'm gonna see if I could finish my dog jacket. But I'd much rather be in bed. Remember I was telling you I had dry lips? Look, it caused 2 cold sores. Yep. This weather sucks asshole. Hey guys, tonight we're having fajitas. I use a rotisserie chicken. And I shred it up. And I put with taco seasoning in it. And a little bit of water, and I let it cook for a while. And then I have some rice. Oops, I'm not supposed to put that on until boils. Duh, don't do that, guys. You're not supposed to put the lid on until it comes to a boil. And then you bring it to a simmer. And then you put the lid on. Jeez Louise. Okay, I'll be back when I start putting everything together. And the rice is just a box rice. You need 2 cups of water and a can of diced tomatoes. It's kind of a simple supper tonight, guys. Okay, guys. What I do, they're called ranch Cholula quesadillas, but I don't have any Cholula, so I'm going to just use Red Hot. I'll put a little bit of ranch. I'm almost out of Red Hot, so I need to be sparing. And then I put cheese. And then I add some of my chicken. Let me get this pan hot. And then just spread it out so each bite could have a little bit of yumminess. And then I just add another tortilla right on top. Maybe I'll put a little bit of cheese. Okay, I'll be back in a second when the pan gets hot. Okay, guys. Set it on there for a second. I like to put a lid over the top just to get that cheese melted a little bit more. And as that's cooking, I prepare more. So, retard. Look at my quesadillas. Oh, you can't see them. Get off my nuts. Haven't even told Dad supper's done yet. Go tell Dad supper's done. Okay, guys, supper's done. Hurry up and come eat. You got 5 minutes before it's devoured. Okay, don't forget to smile and make someone else smile. Have a wonderful night. Yeah, well, I don't know. Yeah, probably there's enough for her. There's one for each.